From Mexico to Colombia, from the Pacific to the Caribbean, and at 120,000 kilometers squared, covering 3 times the size of Switzerland, are Mesoamerica's 5 great forests. These 5 forests encapsulate the essence of Mesoamerica. Together, they shelter incredible biodiversity, with over 2,000 known vertebrate species, many that are rare and endangered, including jaguar, Baird's tapir, harpy eagle, and the Central American river turtle. They provide irreplaceable flyways and wintering grounds for migratory birds. Ancient culture is embedded within the heart of these forests, with vestiges of ancient civilizations across several World Heritage sites. More than 5 million people depend on the 5 forests, more than half of which are within indigenous territories with a diversity of cultures and languages. The 5 forests are also of global significance, as they keep approximately half of Mesoamerica's carbon stores locked away. But we are losing these incredible forests. Since the year 2000, 3 of Central America's 5 great forests have been reduced in size by more than 23%. This decline has been driven by an insatiable global demand for beef, as 90% of deforestation in the 5 forests is inflicted by illegal cattle ranching. This industry is sometimes used as a front for organized crime and drug trafficking. Indigenous peoples' autonomy, unique cultures and languages, biodiversity, and our ability to stave off the worst effects of climate change are vanishing with every hectare of the 5 forests that is converted to pasture. The very identity of Mesoamerica is at stake, but it is not too late. Together, we can still protect what makes Mesoamerica unique, awe-inspiring, and wild. Governments, citizens, companies, and local indigenous and Afro-descendant peoples are joining forces to turn the tide for Mesoamerica's 5 forests. We are providing economic alternatives that result in more trees, fewer cows, and are compatible with local and indigenous cultures. We are supporting local people to fight for their rights to manage natural resources and protect their forests. We are ensuring we safeguard the region's most at-risk species. Through protecting the 5 forests, Mesoamerican countries can meet their international climate commitments. Without the 5 forests, they cannot. By 2030, we aim to ensure that over the 5 forests there is 0 extinctions of species, 10 million hectares of land protected, 500,000 hectares of forest recovered, and 0 illegal cattle ranching. Mesoamerica's people, their culture, biodiversity, resilience to climate change, economic health, the very essence of Mesoamerica, all depend on this land. Join us and help conserve the 5 forests of Mesoamerica.